Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video we'll be unboxing the Apple fast charger. My 5-watt charger used to charge my iPhone 11 so slow, so got this one. So this is the unboxing of the original Apple charger that I got. You can see it comes in a nice little package. Let me Personally, I like these type of fast chargers because it folds up really nicely and you can take it for travel. And you can see this charging cube. It's not too big, not too small, just perfect to carry it all around. You can see the USB-C port right there. And now let's unbox the Anker M5 certified Type-C to Lightning cable. So this is a braided cable, so it is very much durable than the traditional Apple cable you get with the box. So I got this one, so meaning I can use it for longer. So enjoy the unboxing video of this, and in the next video I'll try to show you the charging times of my iPhone 11 with the 20-watt charger, and pretty soon I will come up with a review of the iPhone 11 I just purchased later.